Is your Rogers NextBox constantly rebooting? Don't worry, you're not alone. Rebooting issues often stem from power instability or signal interference. First, perform a power cycle. Unplug the NextBox from the wall for 30 to 60 seconds to clear temporary memory issues. Then, check all cable connections to ensure they are secure, especially the coaxial cable. Poor signal quality can cause continuous reboots. If you're using a splitter, make sure it's not faulty. Try bypassing it to see if the issue resolves. Rogers provides an on-screen diagnostic menu to check signal strength. Access it via your remote. Aim for a signal strength above 60 dBmV. Environmental factors like power surges can also cause problems, so consider using a surge protector or UPS. Proper ventilation is crucial. Ensure your NextBox isn't overheating. Remember, regular cable checks can prevent many NextBox reboots. If power and signal checks don't resolve the rebooting issue, a factory reset may be necessary. A factory reset restores the NextBox to its default settings, erasing user data like recorded shows. Before proceeding, be aware that you will need to reset up your accounts and preferences afterward. The process typically involves using a specific button combination on the NextBox itself or navigating through an on-screen menu. After the reset, the NextBox will download and reinstall the latest firmware. Keep in mind that while factory resets can be effective, they are not a guaranteed fix. If the rebooting persists after a factory reset, it may indicate a hardware failure, requiring a technician visit or replacement. As Rogers phases out NextBox hardware support in favor of streaming services like Ignite TV, consider upgrading to a newer, more stable platform if hardware issues continue.